Are you tired of seeing deep wrinkles staring back at you? Expensive night creams often promise results but rarely ever deliver them. The secret to youthful skin is actually in your kitchen pantry. Meet cold-pressed olive oil, the ultimate natural eraser for aging skin. You will see a visible difference in just 7 days. Stick with me to transform your evening routine for good results. If you want more natural beauty secrets, please subscribe Vital 50 Plus right now. Olive oil is packed with powerful antioxidants and healthy fatty acids. These nutrients penetrate deep into your skin to provide intense hydration. Vitamin E and polyphenols work together to repair damaged skin cells. Studies from the NIH show that olive oil reduces oxidative stress. Harvard researchers highlight how healthy fats maintain a strong skin barrier. Most expensive night creams are actually just water mixed with wax. This simple oil provides a more direct source of pure nourishment. Wait, did you know that your skin absorbs nutrients while sleeping? Your face becomes a sponge for healing during the late night hours. Cold-pressed olive oil mimics the natural oils of your skin perfectly. This allows the oil to lock in moisture without clogging pores. It creates a protective seal that prevents dehydration during the night. PubMed research confirms that oleic acid improves skin elasticity and firmness. You are literally feeding your skin the building blocks for new collagen. Regular use can help soften the appearance of stubborn forehead lines. It also targets the delicate area around your tired, aging eyes. Why do most high-end beauty brands hide these simple, natural truths? Many companies prioritize profit over the actual health of your skin. They add synthetic fragrances that often cause irritation and redness instead. Natural olive oil is free from these harmful and drying chemicals. It provides a safe alternative for even the most sensitive skin types. But wait until you see why expensive creams often fail you. Most commercial creams fail because they cannot reach the deeper layers. Their heavy molecules sit on the surface and provide temporary results only. Cold-pressed olive oil has a unique structure for deep penetration. It delivers vital nutrients exactly where your skin needs them the most. Many people mistakenly believe that applying oil causes oily skin breakouts. Actually, providing healthy fats tells your skin to stop overproducing oil. This balance is essential for maintaining a clear and youthful complexion. Did you notice how your skin feels tighter in the morning? This is the result of the oil supporting your natural repair cycle. Here is an advanced booster tip for maximum anti-aging skin results. Mix 2 drops of organic frankincense oil into your olive oil. This combination accelerates cell turnover and fades dark spots very quickly. Apply this mixture using upward circular motions to stimulate blood flow. Research from PubMed shows that massage improves lymphatic drainage in faces. This reduces puffiness and gives you a more contoured facial appearance. It is like getting a professional spa treatment in your own home. You are giving your skin the tools to rebuild its own foundation. Consistency is the absolute key to seeing those deep wrinkles vanish. Your skin needs time to integrate these new healthy fatty acids. Harvard studies suggest that skin cells take weeks to fully renew. Stick with this routine every single night for the best transformation. But wait until you see the shocking truth about miracle ingredients. Many miracle ingredients in luxury creams are just clever marketing labels. They often contain only tiny amounts of the actual active ingredients. The rest of the bottle is filled with cheap synthetic fillers. Cold-pressed olive oil offers 100% purity for your skin. You get the full benefit of every single drop you apply. NIH research confirms that plant-derived squalene is a powerful skin protector. Olive oil is one of the richest natural sources of squalene. This helps to shield your face from environmental damage and toxins. Did you remember to drink enough water for your skin today? Hydration from the inside supports the work of the oil outside. Applying olive oil to damp skin helps to trap extra moisture. This simple hack makes the oil even more effective for wrinkles. Focus on the areas where expression lines are the most prominent. The oil helps to plump the skin and fill in gaps. PubMed studies indicate that topical antioxidants prevent further signs of aging. You are protecting your future self while repairing your current skin. This natural approach respects the delicate biology of your unique face. Avoid the harsh chemicals that strip away your skin's natural defenses. Embrace the simplicity of a routine that has worked for centuries. Your skin will feel softer and look much brighter every morning. True beauty comes from using the gifts that nature provides us. Now you know exactly why expensive creams can never truly compete. Stop spending hundreds on night creams that never seem to work. The best solution for deep wrinkles is likely in your kitchen. Cold-pressed olive oil is a natural powerhouse for aging skin. You can see a visible difference in just 7 days. I will show you how to erase lines using this oil. Subscribe Vital 50 Plus now if you love simple and effective natural beauty tips.